Okay, so today what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace the ABS sensor. Okay, it's also the speed sensor as well. So it's very similar to the brake line, the brake sensors. All right, which is that it's actually tied to every single wheel, right? And I'll explain later on, but at the moment, it's very similar to the sensor where the box is over here. So when I showed you earlier about the brake sensors, well, on the other side of that, if we take a look right over here, I don't know if I can do this right. Let me see if I can flip this around. No, maybe not. Anyway, let me see. I believe, so right over this, right over here, that's the actual sensor. And what I need to do is I need to get the right star filter to take that out. And then two things is the nut that I use. Bear with me if I can see them. It sucks getting older. As you can see, it's actually a T30. Let me see if I can adjust that. But it's a T30 to take the bolt out. And then what I did was I bought a set of 4 ABS sensors, right? Some of it is straight on. So this one is straight on, as you can see. And this one is angled, all right? So the only way to tell what's the front and the back is based on what you took out. So the straight on are the fronts and the angled ones are the back. I'm just gonna put it back in and then I'm done with this side. So as I was saying, this is the back wheel, right? So it's right over here, right? It goes in here, it goes in there, and then you don't see it, but it's actually under here. And as I said before, it goes behind this panel. So you take out these 3 screws in order to get to the blue area, the blue thingy to connect it in, okay? But same bolt applies, same everything else applies, okay?